Okay, so as a music influencer, here are things that make content go viral or successful. I would say start with a very strong hook and don't waste time introducing yourself. Either educate your audience or give them something useful that they're gonna, like maybe want to come back to it later. So if you are, this can be applied to anything. If you're, maybe a chef, give them a useful recipe that they can, replicate later so that they're going to save your videos. Saving videos is super great for the algorithm. Or if you also want to be a music influencer or if you're a band, maybe show them your playlist or a bunch of songs so that they want to come back to that video. Then I would say, post as much as you can, as much as it's comfortable to you, but show up every time you can. And I would say find your style and your niche. Trying to talk about everything doesn't work. Trying to recommend all the styles of clothing, music, food doesn't work. I would say find your niche and stick to it.